Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove this top light in a Ford C-Max from 2012. And let me tell you my plan. Use a tool like this, and I'm expecting it has some clips at the ends. So my plan is to force it out. But my plan does not seem to be working at the moment. I need to investigate and be back to you in a moment. I was actually right, but be warned, your tool will have the tendency to go basically under this, and that's not what you want. So make sure you put your tool just under the plastic itself to pry it from the ceiling. So it is a bit tricky. Yeah, now this end will just fall out. And yeah, don't start from this end. This is not coming out. Always start from this, but put your tool under, between the metal and the plastic. So yeah, and if you want to get this out even more, yeah, you have a clip right here, and you you push on that and wiggle it around. Really hard to do with one hand, and it's out. But I'm going to put it back in here because I'm just trying to run some wires, and I don't want to have this going up and me needing to search for it. For the back one, exactly the same mechanism, and at the deep further end of it, exactly as this one. And to put it back in place, push it as much as you can at this end to make sure it's in the proper position, and only then it will actually allow you to lock it, and it's done. So hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. And if you want to see how to remove all of this, the link will be in the description.